Good morning, students. Today we'll start a new chapter, chapter number 4, Growing Up with the Nature. Okay. A journey through a forest.
A journey through a forest.
Reena and Amit were excited about a family trip. They were going to their village near a forest. It was the time for a harvest festival. Besides this, it was a special occasion on that day. Their village was also going to be a fully solar powered village. They could not wait to see the whole village lit up for the celebration. Welcome to the village. As they entered the village, children noticed trees full of bright orange red flowers. Reena asked, "What are those flowers called?" Her father smiled and said, "This is a palash tree. When the flower bloom on this tree, the entire forest looks reddish orange from a distance. So, palash is called the flame of forest. Activity 1. First, write names of 5 colorful flowers in your area. For example, palash is called Kesuda in Gujarat. Name of the flower. Local name. Draw in color. Flower of your choice. The village was decorated for the celebration. Amit. These houses look so different from houses in the city. The decorations on the wall is so beautiful. Mother. Amit. These houses are made using clay, hay, cow dung, and other natural materials. Look, this painting is done by your grandmother. She has used a dye made by mixing rice flour and water. Note to the teacher. The teacher could discuss the benefit of houses made of natural materials. Activity 2. Make the model of a house using materials for nature such as clay, wooden sticks, hay, grass, leaves, etc. Decorate it with an art form of your choice. Reena and Amit started playing inside the house. They noticed that their grandmother was painting on a cloth. Amit asked about the paints. The grandmother told the children that the paint was made of natural extract of flowers, leaves, and with the powdered colored stones. Do you know? Gondart is a form of painting on walls using natural colors. The artist make pictures of nature like trees, animals, birds and humans. Activity 3. Let us prepare a natural dye. Step 1. Collect some flowers, leaves, barks,
barks,
and roots
and roots,
such as beetroot,
such as beetroot,
hibiscus, and marigold
and marigold,
that have coloring properties.
that have coloring properties.
Step 2.
Step 2.
Boil any of the collected plant parts
Boil any of the collected plants
in approximately
in approximately
1 to 2 liters of water
1 to 2 liters of water
for 30 minutes
for 30 minutes
to an hour,
to an hour.
covering the container
Covering the container
with a plate.
with a plate.
Please take help
Please take help
from your teachers
from your teacher
or an elder.
or an elder.
Step 3.
Step 3.
Strain the liquid
Strain the liquid
to remove
to remove
the plant materials,
the plant materials,
leaving behind
leaving behind
the natural dye.
the natural dye.
Now,
Now,
try to paint
try to paint
a piece of cloth
a piece of cloth
such as a light colored handkerchief
such as a light colored handkerchief
or hand towel
or hand towel
using the dye
using the dye.
you have prepared.
We have prepared.
Note that
Note that
you need to soak the cloth
you need to soak the cloth
overnight.
overnight,
Squeeze it
squeeze it,
and dry it the next morning.
and dry it the next morning.
The children were curious
The children were curious
to see the tools
to see the tools
used for farming
used for farming
and extracting honey.
and starting honey.
There were earthen pots
There were tin pots
and bamboo baskets
and bamboo baskets
in the house
in the house
to store grains.
to store grains.
Earthen pots
Earthen pots
were lined inside
were lined inside
with neem leaves.
with neem.
The bamboo baskets
The bamboo basket
were coated with cow dung
was coated with cow dung
on the outside.
on the outside.
With this method,
With this method,
the stored grains
the stored
remains protected
grains were protected
from insects and pests.
from insect and pests.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
The teacher could invite
Teachers should invite
artisan or artist demonstrating their skills from the local community
from the local community
to the school
to the school
for interacting with students
for interacting with the students.
and for demonstration of their skill. The idea is for
The idea is for
students
students
to appreciate local art form.
to appreciate local art.
Do you know
Do you know
the Jenu Kuruba is a tribe from Karnataka?
is it a tribe from Karnataka?
The name comes from the word Jenu,
Jenu,
which means honey.
which means honey.
When they collect honey
When they collect honey
from beehives,
from beehives,
they sing songs
they sing songs
to apologize to bees.
to bees.
This shows their respect for nature. Activity 4.
Activity 4.
Find out some traditional ways for preserving grains and vegetables
And vegetables
at your place
at your place
and fill the following table.
and fill the following table.
One example is given.
Example is given.
Name,
Name,
commonly used in which state,
commonly used in which state,
details of the container.
details of the container.
Tumri. Uttarakhand,
Uttarakhand,
constructed with a round
constructed with a round
or oval shaped
or oval shaped
dried bottle gourd.
dried bottle gourd.
Reena and Amit
Reena and Amit
got ready for the celebrations.
got ready for the celebrations.
Their grandfather
Their grandfather
took out a bottle of liquid
took out a bottle of liquid
from a box.
from a box.
Dadaji,
Dadaji,
this is a mixture
this is a mixture
made with neem oil.
made with the neem oil.
If you rub it
If you rub it
on your hands and feet,
on your hands and feet,
the mosquitoes
the mosquitoes
will not bite you.
will not bite you.
Reena,
Reena,
Dadaji,
Dadaji,
is it a first aid box?
it is a first aid box.
I have also prepared
I have also prepared
a first aid box.
a first aid box.
We keep some medicines
We keep some medicine
and mosquito repellent cream in it.
and mosquito repellent cream in it.
bought from the market.
Bought from the market.
Activity 5.
Activity 5.
Discuss with the elders
Discuss with the elders
in your family
in your family
and write
and write
the name of the plant,
the name of the plant,
its part,
its parts,
and its uses
and its uses
in the table given below.
in the table given below.
Name of the plant,
Name of the plant,
parts of the plant,
parts of the plant,
uses.
uses,
Indian basil,
Indian basil,
tulsi,
tulsi,
leaves,
leaves,
carom seeds,
clam seeds,
ajwain.
ajwain.
Discuss.
Discuss
First, what things should be kept
what things should be kept
in a first aid box?
in a first aid box.
Second,
Second,
why do you think
why do you think
providing first aid
providing first aid
is important
is important
if someone gets injured?
if someone gets injured?
Sparkling lights happy life.
Sparkling light, happy life.
In the evening,
In the evening,
the whole village was light up
the whole village was lit up
with colorful lights.
with colorful lights.
Everyone gathered
Everyone gathered
in a big field.
in a big field.
People were wearing
People were wearing
traditional clothes
traditional clothes
and jewels.
and jewels.
Before the festive started,
Before the festival started,
prayers were offered
prayers were offered
to the god
to the God
and Mother Nature.
and Mother Nature.
The sound of the dhol
The sound of the dhol
and nagaras
and nagada
filled the air.
filled the air.
Vibrant beats
Vibrant beats
made everyone
made everyone
tap their feet
tap their feet
in celebration.
in celebration.
Amit and Reena
Amit and Reena
also joined them
also joined them
and enjoyed
and enjoyed
the traditional dance.
the traditional dance.
Activity 6.
Activity 6.
Find out
Find out
the traditional dance and songs of your region.
of your reason.
Perform a traditional dance
Perform a traditional dance
with the help of your classmates
with the help of your classmates
and teachers
and teachers
for the annual day
for the annual day
of your school.
of your school.
Discuss. Imagine if there is no light
There is no light
in your area
in your area
for 2 days.
for 2 days.
What changes
What changes
will you see in your life?
will you see in your life?
Reena and Amit
Reena and Amit
were amazed at the beautiful connection
had the beautiful connection
the people of their village had with the nature. They started thinking about what they could do for nature and how they could thank nature for everything. Do you know? Sacred groves are small patches of forest
are small patches of forest
protected by local communities.
protected by local communities.
The trees and wildlife
The trees and wildlife
within them are preserved.
within them are preserved.
These are important places
These are important places
for the community to gather,
for the community together,
worship, and celebrate the beauty of nature. Activity 7.
Activity 7.
Talk to your elders
Talk to your elders
and find out the rituals
and find out the rituals
in connection to animal
in connection to animals
and plants
and plants
which are celebrated
which are celebrated
in your locality.
in your locality.
A few examples
Few examples
are given below. Name of the festival,
Name of the festival,
plants, animals associated. Activity. Path Purnima, Banyan tree, worshipping. Hari Jitroti, fruit bearing tree, plantation. Kaziranga Elephant Festival, Elephant Awareness Drive. We worship
we worship
many plants and animals
many plants and animals
in different parts
in the different parts
of our country. This indicates our rich tradition of respecting and protecting nature. Here are some ways to care for plants and animals in our surrounding. Reduce paper waste. Say no to plastic. Spread awareness about saving plants. Keep food and water for birds.
keep food and water for birds.
Plant trees. Organize a cleanup drive. Let us reflect. First, what are the things that we use from nature in our daily life? Activities collected from nature. Eating fruits. Clothing cotton. Healthcare neem. Any other? Second, what challenges arise when we overuse natural resources? For example, if we overuse wood from nature, our forests deplete. Water, soil, sea products, any other. Third, how can we protect the natural environment around us? At home, at school, in park, in our locality. Fourth, design your herbal garden. Here is a space for your herbal garden. Draw pictures of your favorite herb in different part of the garden and write down their names. Are there some herbs that you like less? Draw them too.